So here is a quick follow-up from the previous video, which is currently being uploaded. jLink UART chip on nRF9160dk malfunction, and as you can see right now, the link on COM10 which connects to nRF9160 is working correctly. The NMEA strings are sent over UART1 to the other CPU 52840, and this is the RX of UART0, and TX connects to the USB link, and then there is jLink CDC UART port and jLink programmer chip on the 9160dk, which provides the two USBs, and currently COM11 is not functioning correctly, and I wanted to make a few checks. So first we can of course restart this application to make sure that it's not related to it. Start, and it's the same. Then we also have the ability to install the same application with Euroscope. This is the Euros version from RAM. Start it, and a well-tested driver, and this is what we get, which means that once the data leaves the 52840 chip and before it reaches the computer, it is garbled by the jLink chip on 9160 development kit. Now, one more thing that we can actually test is, instead of reading data from the USB, we can make a small change to the application, switch to the other sample. They should simply send this message over and over again with a counter. Then we rebuild. There is another bug into Seger Embedded Studio. Sometimes when you try to rebuild the project, it's taking like 20-30 seconds, then it starts and finishes quickly, but it shouldn't do this in first place. No reason to wait. Looks like it's ready. We can start. And now this code is repeated in a loop. Send. You see all the garbage coming out. Now let's revert this last change. Okay. So see, now the rebuild started instantly. Okay. So now we should see this message. No. Start. So this message was not printed. Maybe most of it was already lost. Let's try again. This time start directly. Still broken. We can try one more thing. We can restart the 9160 CPU. Restarting now. It should take some time for the LTE modem initialization, and once we start seeing NMEA strings, we should also start receiving data here, and this should show whether there was something wrong with this chip not sending data correctly or something broken afterwards. And apparently it's not the 9160 chip. It is operating correctly, and at this point we can safely conclude that the jLink chip on 9160 development kit is faulty, at least the application running there. And yes, one more confirmation. Okay, that's all for the follow-up video. I'm going to upload it